we have two surprises for you. One is that white sausage is the star. The holidays are coming, so you should make friends with it. I'll share the second thing soon. Why is there white sausage? I'm almost afraid to ask. Okay. We make the weirdest sour rice soups in the world. The procedure is like this. We make sour rice soup just like the standard holiday version, the way it's made at our house, using a ready-made starter. Well, we didn't make the starter 2 weeks in advance this time, but we replaced the water with liquids we prepared ourselves. For my sour rice soup, I'll be using cola instead.
I recently read about cola that it should actually be sweet like a cake.
I wanted cherry, but this is apple cherry.
But it still tastes like cherry. The water tastes like coconut water.
All right, there will be Żurek.
Coconut, kind of an Asian vibe. Interesting, I hope it turns out that way.
I really don't like it.
And the second one?
Eggs after.
The road.
All right.
And peach flavored.
I have a proposal for you, Żur. Here's what we'll do. We'll put a sausage in each one. Please, Arthur, put them in yours. The white sausage goes to the bottom. The white sausage is the key ingredient here. For this, I think about 3 slices. We didn't cut them too small so they wouldn't get mushy, but so we could
smell it well.
Beautiful. Then bacon, then a couple of bay leaves, 2 allspice berries so we don't overdo it. We'll add marjoram at the end, Arthur. All right.
Probably at the end.
We'll add it at the end, after boiling, not now. The eggs and pressed garlic will also go in after boiling. What do you think?
That works.
We pour in 1.5 liters of our liquid, which replaces water. So I have a carton and a half. All right, 1. Oh, damn. Awful, right? I don't like it. But it's weird. It's like I drank beer off a hostel carpet or something. Yeah.
Did you hear that?
It tastes like licking the bottom of a shell, like some kind of 1.5 liter cola.
Okay, you have that, and I'll just get some caffeine.
Me too. 1.5 liters of this. We should make broth. Yeah, but okay, so we'll use half a jar each, right? Oh, damn. But this is going to be delicious. Arthur?
Take it, I'm curious, yeah.
Hey, look.
It's looking for a quick second. Oh, damn, a cherry. Yeah, I like it. Ah, that cola looks interesting too, huh?
What are we doing now? We're turning them on and boiling these liquids. Damn, we messed up.
What?
We didn't make regular Żurek. We'll do it again the same way, just with water. We'll also add some onion to give it a nice aroma. It's cooking now. We'll come back in about 4 minutes. All right, buddy. Now you watch.
And this one?
For the scum.
Scum.
Scum has formed on top. Oh, damn. Oh. This cherry will look great. Use bacon like this. It'll be good.
The cherry does the trick?
Because you know, besides the liquid, we'll also... Oh. The cola is a bit too strong, yeah. Oh. This is very interesting, and this, very interesting.
Damn.
We leave it cooking like this. And now listen, I have a scale, and what we'll do is add traditional Żurek to each one.
So it's not that the more you add, the sourer it gets, right?
Of course it is.
Yeah?
No, that's what's amazing, that it's just flour and water, right?
Yeah, that's interesting.
Give a spoonful each.
Jesus, aren't we going to be scared or something?
We will.
That's interesting, I haven't tried it before.
Hey, it's cool, a bit alcoholic. No, it's like drinking cold Żurek. Without everything around it, oh damn. Does it feel like something's pinching here? Yeah, we're pouring everything in.
But it's strong.
Hey, you know what? We'll just leave it like that.
All right.
In everyone, right? You already know we've had these little dumplings, little balls as we call them, in lots of episodes from Nordisk. They are the sponsor of today's episode. The dumplings are in the air fryer. You can easily buy them at Biedronka. Dumplings with Polish pesto, right? You also know this product of ours.
Dumplings with mozzarella and dried tomatoes.
That's why we're making sour rice soup for the holidays.
Dumplings with white sausage.
And that's kind of a game changer because it's not that deli-style meat, you know, from those pierogi, it's white sausage. Mozzarella and tomatoes are taken care of, Polish pesto is taken care of, white sausage is today's star, and let's keep it here with us. What a beautiful smoke, just like coffee, and we're cooking it. We've set it to medium heat, 10-15 minutes, and it'll be ready. We'll eat and we'll drink. Listen, it smells so strong that we've got everything open. And do you have your favorite soup?
Well, I like chicken broth, tomato soup, and I often try onion soup when I'm somewhere. But since you asked me, I guess I should ask you too.
I like all the sour ones, but my number one, and now please write in the comments if this is actually a soup, because there's about to be a fight. Fruit soup. Oh no, man, I love fruit soup with kissel so much. All right, now we're going to temper the cream.
So what?
2 spoonfuls? Yeah, all right, 2 sips.
Oh, it's going to be nice.
All right, we'll use less sour cream, RC. Some of the pieces curdled a bit. And then we do it like this.
So I'm tempering it, right?
All right, a bunch of marjoram. Hopla. So Arthur, I push it through the garlic press.
Of course.
Garlic.
And pepper, don't forget the salt.
All right, salt and pepper. Great, look, what a nice soup. Yes, man. It looks like mushroom soup, but smells like marjoram.
Mine is really orange. I'm curious what the guys will say about this pink one. Yeah.
Sorry, Archie, Kshiku won't see the pink one.
He can't see that color? Yeah.
Sometimes he gets it right. No, he gets it right because he learned to. He just doesn't know what he's seeing. You see, it's like a child miscounting letters. He looks at B and says A, right?
But does he really believe there are colors he can't see?
Of course he does. He says he thinks his watch is green and calls it that, right?
But he has the wrong one. I thought he couldn't see a few colors and that's why we're laughing. Well, he can't see a few, but now, for example, he knows that blue is blue and he can see it. Isn't that the case?
No, it's not. Later he sees red and green as the same color.
Wow, but this cream really does the job, let me tell you. These soups look completely different. They turned out so beautifully creamy, just look.
The worst thing you can do with soups is to add cream to a fruit soup. Fruit soup isn't a soup. I hate that, you know? How is fruit soup not a soup? Dude, fruit soup is a soup. I love it. Write if you like it, because we want to make it for you. We want, in this new phase, so to speak, on the channel, to make a lot more content. We're thinking every 2 days, right? Yeah, for now we can't promise, but we really want to. It's very important. And we want to split it into crazy cooking, things you can buy, and we give advice on, plus reviews of what's in stores, right?
Spiralized recipes?
Spiralized stuff. Okay, is it a good idea to have this kind of cooking at least once a week? Exciting. Creating these recipes, sometimes with the ladies, is always a blast for me. I think, Arthur, that we're ready, like our real yellow one.
Sure, damn, I like it.
Show me the glass. All right, honestly.
But you do it at home, so? I do it, so?
I'd do it if there was another, but this is the only one I know. We'll get some sausage.
From each one.
Look what the wild peach did to this. Look at this, Arthur. Okay, let's leave the original. We'll put it at the end so we don't spoil them right away. Jesus, what a nice cola.
Well, you can't see it here.
Hey, but the skin is really tough after Coca-Cola. After cherry juice, it falls apart and gets slippery. Primate Krzyszu, good morning.
Welcome.
You know?
Ooh, dinner, I guess, right?
Yes, yes. Raise your hand if you like.
There will be a hand.
Ancestor. Raise your hand if you like Żurek. Okay, awesome. We made Żurek just like you normally do. Do you know why we made Żurek? Because it's the holidays. Because it's the holidays. And we got little balls. Our partner Sika Nordis had it with sausage. So what soup goes with sausage? Well, Żur, it has to be. Everyone gets this equipment and will come up to me. And you will too. Here, we'll be serving them a bit.
Man, it's just like prison. Just like in prison.
Now we've replaced water with weird ingredients. Great.
I don't know if it's great. Now the liqueur.
First, I'll give you the frog.
Like cherry? No, because I'm serving. There's definitely a smell of fat here. Something smoked. Smoked.
Well, you know, we also got a lot out of each one, meaning white sausage and bacon.
But help yourselves.
I don't know. I would say maybe some Timbuk cherry juice.
But interesting.
Cherry compote.
Wow, I've never eaten this before.
But it's interesting.
It's a bit like someone made compote with broth, like coldo.
He ran out, but I won't lose the bars.
Oh, like compote? Do you remember the one from kindergarten? I'm not sure if you got soups. There was this fruit soup. No?
But that fruit soup, but honestly?
That fruit soup was cold, right? Do you remember with the pasta? It was served cold, not hot.
Of course, this is made with cherry apple timbark juice.
You.
But now I see, I was telling the viewers that my favorite soup is fruit soup. Yeah. Why do I make fruit soup with water? I'll make it with this kind of juice.
Did you always make it hot or even cold?
No, you have to make it hot and cold. Oh.
What are you talking about? Obviously with juice.
That's exactly it.
That's in the juice.
It tastes a bit like when a lady comes and says, I have some leftover broth and some leftover fruit soup, right? And she says, I'll make one soup out of it. And she poured one into the other and heated it up. So she gives it to the kids.
So that's interesting.
All right, it's okay, I guess. The sweetness convinces me.
No, if someone likes sweet soups.
Let's see how the white sausage tastes with this soup. Okay.
Shall we dig in?
Should I eat it with the skin?
Wait, let's take it.
Oh, take the skin off for him.
No, because I'm looking there.
But it's almost coming off, you know? So you can peel it off yourself.
But it's delicate. It's even stuck in my tooth.
It's cool, but hasn't changed much. It didn't go through. It's white. I don't know if it's a top quality product.
But the white one has an aggressive aftertaste. She's always bold. It hits first. Oh.
Here's Mr. Sidestep.
Mochik.
Mochki. They're going to describe it. The biggest one. Zlopki tastes pretty good.
But they're kind of dry.
The fat is melted out.
Hey, the bacon is hanging.
Meat delicious.
Oh, Jesus. And here's probably...
It's not like bacon, more like pork neck.
The bacon is amazing, in my opinion. It's slightly sweet, but just a little bit. This one tastes like it was homemade.
But the note that was supposed to be on the bacon is there. That cherry flavor. It fits perfectly, right? Yeah, it fits. The sausage didn't make it. The sausage flavor didn't come through.
Wait, are we rating this or not?
3, 4. I give it 3. You give it 4. I give it 3.
Like a 3. This one is 2.
What do you give it?
6.
You're giving it a higher score. What impressed you? No.
Nothing. All right. I mean, I'm giving it a higher score. 6 is the best. Wait.
One more time since we forgot how. If a normal good Żurek is a 5, then what do we give?
All right, one more time.
I got confused myself. Yeah, 3, 4.
Or not?
All right, so, oh no, it's sweet. Yeah, so for you, is this better than regular Żurek?
Yes.
You surprised me. For me, it's worse than the regular one, but I kind of agree. It's an interesting experience.
But we won't do another. I mean,
I'd gladly eat those toppings from this.
Here you go, Primoz. Artur, don't miss the most important part. All right, one more time. But again,
Again, make it sweet.
Shall we go?
I mean, this sweetness is already better than the previous one, okay?
But this is a sock. This is Parmesan.
but the sweetness is better because it's not fruity.
fruits. Oh,
Here, Nurek put on a sock instead of a mask.
well, I can smell mushrooms in this sock. Listen, it's awful.
He's preparing it for me. Okay, I wouldn't say it's better than the regular one, but it's an interesting variation. And what is this?
It's kind of caramel.
No.
It's like engine oil in terms of consistency. That's what this sour rice soup is like. Seriously. It's like it's 5W0 or maybe 5W10. That's what it is, yeah.
No, wait, no, damn. How are you holding up?
Do you have any? No, it's fine.
Smile?
Damn, man. Good. What did that sour rice soup do to you?
No. Then guess. You have your turn.
Damn.
I'd say Haribo gummies.
Oh, interesting. Just let it go. I still need to mention we replaced the water with other liquids. Coca-Cola.
Seriously? No, caramel. Exactly. You see this.
Okay.
This movie. A movie with a movie. It's new, but let's try the sausage first and I can tell you later how it tastes.
But I think it could really work. It suits me, yeah.
Sweet sausage on the outside. It has a sweet coating.
It does.
But it is...
I don't feel any difference at all.
She didn't impress anyone with the sausages, so they'll follow me.
Did you feel it? I think that anything sweet with a little bit of alcohol will work. It'll be good.
A kind of texture.
Oh, wow, yeah, but it has something like a sweet barbecue flavor.
Bacon still wins here.
Hey, bacon beats cheese?
Oh, bacon is the best. Yeah. And the sweetness and soup rating. 3, 4.
And let's go with the next one.
Yeah, like you said, it's some kind of sports drink, I guess. This one's sweet.
Ela, very strong. And shall we dare?
Oh,
Damn.
Damn. Well, it didn't really work for me. Oh,
God, I'm pouring it out. But it's sweet and sour.
Something with lemon at the end.
Generally, it's kind of vinegary.
but more vinegary. But this one is really vinegary.
I don't get any flavor from soups. I just taste the vinegar.
So sour. Seriously? Yeah, I really surprised you.
I even broke a sweat. Sour, fermented. Was it made with a fermented starter?
Yes, of course.
No, I mean, for me, no.
So, is it good or bad?
Well, it's like, I don't know, but it's hard for me to say.
To me, it's as good as the first.
I think the first one is better.
Yeah, definitely the best one for me so far.
But look at the color of the bacon.
Are we starting with the bacon or the sausage?
I'd go for the sausage because
How are we doing with the sausage?
Damn, everything about this is terrible. But I won't take it.
but this is the first sausage.
The got eaten.
It has flavor, right? But it does have that side.
I'm left without being able to taste, right?
But you can taste the sweetness.
Sweetness, yeah, the taste. Nice. It's a nice white sausage.
To me, it tastes like old fridge sausage.
No, when it comes to white sausage, I think it's also my first time with this kind.
And the sausage also dominates.
No. No, this tastes much more like cola to me.
For me, that's kubush.
This is kubush. But it all went differently because the first drink and the second, the clamp, this side one is so sweet, right? And this one isn't sweet, but it has a strange aftertaste. How?
Yes, this one is full of flavor. Be careful.
That it has flavor?
But you know, it's only what's in there. It dominated. Yeah.
Bacon, in my opinion, was better in the second one, because here I felt like you got triphosphoronoazotes.
Potassium. You probably won't guess this one because it's tough for you.
Some kind of monster. For me, it's kind of like, well, sausage.
All right, let's have a bite because I prepared something.
And I like it.
Powerball.
Yes.
This is good, white. This is to cleanse the palate. When you drink this water after an espresso, the only people...
Who eat white sausage cleanse their palate. We're allowed to do that, right? Yeah, let's try the worst one. Yeah, I give it a 1. No. 3.
4? Ready? 3, 4? Honestly, I'd eat that most with sour rice soup.
Mostly because of the sourness, and I don't know if mine will be good.
No, this one is fine for me.
Looking at it, you'd say it's the original one, right?
Oh damn, something with coconut.
Damn, but it's kind of sweet too.
Sweet. This is the only soup that's a type of sour rice soup. I suppose that's how they serve it in Korea.
As if you were eating it.
It's like someone trying to imitate sour rice soup and failing.
If you added it for the holidays, it's similar to sour rice soup, but something's off. It's the closest to sour rice soup. What did you add to the sour rice soup?
That second note is very exotic. I would say it's coconut. Yeah, it is. If they served me this for the holidays, I'd feel like I was lying on a beach. And I'd have that white sand, and the water would be crystal clear, and the girls in bikinis, and everything would be so nice.
Don't go on about the girls.
Yeah, they're running with that sour rice soup.
Yes, exactly, yes. I can already see it, just like on Baywatch. For me, that would be the best of all. Let's go, let's see, because maybe the sausage will be special.
Damn!
Perfect for me. A sweet top and a sour rice soup with sausage.
The sausage is probably the best for me out of all of them.
What a delicate sausage. Very light, yeah. Oh, what do you think, guys? One of the systems.
It hasn't changed the taste for me yet.
Damn, yeah, it's sweet. Touch it with your tongue. Yeah, but lick it like a popsicle. They were
Intense and...
as hell. The bacon one was best with cherries. For me, okay, I'll just make one more soup for us, all right? Let's wash up.
Wait, what kind of rating could this get, huh?
Well, here, with Kawatani.
With kotane?
All right, 3, 4. This one comes out best among the medium ones. That's likely because it's similar to Żurek, but more exotic.
Yeah, it was exotic like... Okay, wait, but what is it, huh?
I can see a bit... Oh, you already said it very well. Coconut water.
So try it.
Hey, it smells nice to me.
Yeah, but the texture. It's more slippery.
Pudding-like. Hey, it's normal. I feel like it has it.
Thanks. The bacon is tasteless and got mixed in with the others.
It has no taste. Hey.
This is the regular one.
From what I understood, I was wondering whether...
Because these bacon bits, this original, is it not really original?
No, I'll say this. There's a problem.
But is there another one here? What about this? It's denser, very dense. The texture is already kind of milky, right? Yes.
With a spoon.
No, not tasty. Well,
I would say it's the worst of all of them.
Hey, I said they didn't give us the standard Żurek because we'd say everything is worse, but so far this one is worse.
No?
The meat is the worst.
But it's the worst. No. Well, let me tell you this. Well, that's good. Żurek would with no...
Which recipe did you use for this Żurek?
Ania gotuje.
Well, it looks like I think Anya boiled it dry.
She didn't turn off the gas. Well, no, let me tell you this.
If they'd added flour, it wouldn't be so pale.
It's not the best Żurek I've ever had, you know? Honestly. I'll even tell you, the Żurek you can buy in those containers at Biedronka is better than this. And
So you like that kind? All right.
then I have to eat Żurek.
2. A real one. Yes, I have to eat Żurek someday.
All right, listen. Primoz doesn't know if he likes Żurek. All right, let me tell you this. The toppings are much better. The soups... Well, everything I said I rate 1 point higher because I didn't know the base was just so crappy.
You just had to see it, exactly.
He pulled it out. Our jaws dropped, Artie, because you got more out of it than anyone else.
Let's make soups in the weirdest way possible. All the soups we know traditionally, we'll make them differently.
If cucumber soup is made with tomatoes, it's tomato soup.
Oh, you see? And we've already got it.
That's cucumber soup. If you add cucumbers to tomato soup, it becomes cucumber soup.
So Sławczyk appeared in a format where we made the soups we know in a different way.